Hey guys, welcome to Universal Manifestation. Today we're going to talk about manifesting, the process of manifesting and affirmations. So let's get on to it. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to show your support and view more content. Now, what is manifestation? Manifestation is a practice of writing or thinking aspirational thoughts with the purpose of making them real. Putting your intention towards something that you hope will happen. Manifesting is all about using your thought patterns, mindset, and self-beliefs to attract what you want most. Your thoughts and beliefs have immense power to shape your reality. Having positive and proactive beliefs can impact your life in incredible ways, while having a negative outlook can hold you back. You can manifest anything you desire with a loving heart, whether it's a successful business, good health, a relationship, or even a material object like a house or car. It's also important to stay open to possibilities. Sometimes what you want is not really what you need or deserve. But believing that a better future awaits you is important, so be patient. It is said that no physical manifestation happens without physical action. So manifesting and inspired action go hand in hand. Vision boards and affirmations are a great way to get clarity and also help you visualize your desired future. There are many different ways of manifesting. Some use vision boards, some write journals, and some also manifest right before they go to bed by thinking or saying it out loud. Some use nature to manifest by using sun energy, moon energy, and even rain. You can check out more on that in our next video. Now, what is the process of manifesting? The first step in manifesting is realizing your desires and goals. What is it that you really want? The second step involves articulating your desires, the look and feel of it. What will your life look like if you reached your goal? Next step involves coming up with an action plan. What are the steps you need to take? Any new skills you need to learn, seeking help from experts or mentors, etc. Then comes the empowering your mindset with positivity. Taking inspired actions, mindful work, concentrating on positivity and gratitude, and believing that you deserve it. Lastly, keeping an open mind. As I said, sometimes what you deserve is not what you really want. You might get a better or more suitable opportunity in disguise. Remember that believing you deserve what you want is really important. Having doubts and negative thoughts can hold you back. Now, let's discuss about what affirmations are and how to use them. Simply put, affirmations are positive statements that challenge negative, self-sabotaging or unhelpful thoughts. Writing and saying these positive statements out loud repeatedly every day is the key here. In the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Dr. Joseph Murphy compares our subconscious mind to be similar to an engine crew, while our conscious mind to be the captain. Whatever the captain says, the crew believes it to be true. Like the quote, what you think, you become. Repeating affirmations can help reprogram our thinking patterns. Over time, we begin to think and act differently. As evidence suggests, affirmations can help you perform better at work, calm your nerves, increase your confidence and self-esteem, and also improve your chances of a successful outcome. Self-affirmation may also help you reduce the effects of stress, depression, and other mental health conditions, although it is not a substitute for a clinical treatment. Affirmation may even be more effective when you pair them with other positive thinking and goal-setting techniques. Make sure your affirmations are positive. If you are struggling with negative self-talk, note down the persistent thoughts or beliefs that are bothering you. Then choose an affirmation that is the opposite of that thought and belief. Now that you know what manifestations and affirmations are, let's get manifesting and invite our desired future into reality. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon for more content. Keep manifesting and invite the future you want into your life. See you guys in our next video.